Hey guys, got some more parts in today for the F150. Got the new rock light LED kit. It's from Traxxas. We're going to put that in today. And then I got some new aluminum chrome diff covers. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get started. Okay, got the rock lights all installed on the F150. They look good. They really help out when I do some night trail rides, which I'll have some videos of that when it gets warmer out. Yeah, they look nice. And I'll show you a video here with the headlights on too. Alright, got the headlights and taillight kit on too here now. They are awfully bright. I even have a dimmer switch. That's on the low beam. They're pretty bright. Looks good. I didn't get a chance. Well, I was going to put the differentials on, but I went to put one on and it wouldn't fit, so I'm going to have to do a little modifications to those. But I'll have them on here shortly. Alright, well that's it for this. I think next video I'll probably be putting brass portal housings on the Power Wagon, and I got some for the Bronco also. Alright.